Welcome back to Global Bike Buzz, where we bring you the latest and most detailed motorcycle reviews. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Royal Enfield Meteor 350, a bike that blends classic cruiser aesthetics with modern reliability. If you're a fan of laid-back rides with timeless style, this one's for you. Starting with the exterior, the Meteor 350 maintains its signature retro-inspired design but with a fresh appeal for 2025. The front end features a large halogen headlamp with LED light guide, ensuring visibility even in low light conditions. The wider handlebars and upright riding stance promise a relaxed, fatigue-free experience on long journeys. The fuel tank, with its teardrop shape and 15-liter capacity, gives the bike a muscular look while ensuring enough range for highway cruising. Moving to the side profile, the Meteor 350's long wheelbase and low slung stance reinforce its identity as a true cruiser. The split-seat setup offers plush cushioning, making it ideal for both riders and pillion passengers. The back of the bike houses a retro-styled LED taillight, a neatly integrated grab rail, and a stylish rear fender, adding to the bike's vintage charm. The alloy wheels with tubeless tires provide a balance of style and practicality. Under the hood, the Meteor 350 is powered by a 349cc single-cylinder, air-oil-cooled engine, with 20.2 bhp at 6,100 revolutions per minute and 27 Nm of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute. It delivers a smooth and linear power band, perfect for relaxed cruising. The fuel injection system ensures consistent throttle response, while the 5-speed gearbox shifts effortlessly, making city commutes and highway rides equally enjoyable. The bike's refined counterbalanced engine minimizes vibrations, a major improvement over older Royal Enfield models. When it comes to performance, the Meteor 350 is built for comfort rather than aggressive riding. The new generation twin downtube spine frame provides stability at high speeds, while the 41mm telescopic forks up front and twin shock absorbers at the rear ensure a plush ride. The suspension is tuned for absorbing bumps, making it an excellent choice for long-distance touring. The single-disc brakes at both ends, paired with dual-channel ABS, provide confident stopping power. However, it's not meant for sudden, high-speed braking scenarios, as its cruiser-focused dynamics prioritize smooth deceleration. The 19-inch front and 17-inch rear alloy wheels with tubeless tires offer superior grip and durability. The 2025 Royal Enfield Meteor 350 also boasts modern features like a tripper navigation system, a semi-digital instrument cluster with an analog speedometer, and Bluetooth connectivity for turn-by-turn navigation. The switchgear retains a classic look with rotary-style dials, enhancing its retro appeal. Talking about pricing, the Meteor 350 starts at $4,699 in the US, with different variants. In India, pricing starts at approximately a superscript 12,05,900, varying slightly based on location and variant selection. For a premium cruiser experience at an affordable price, the Meteor 350 remains a strong contender. To sum it up, the 2025 Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a well-balanced motorcycle that combines classic styling, modern reliability, and a comfortable ride. While it may not be the fastest or most aggressive cruiser on the market, its charm lies in its smooth, refined engine, premium build quality, and long-distance comfort. It's the perfect companion for riders who enjoy relaxed cruising with a touch of vintage charm. That's it for today's detailed review. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Meteor 350. Would you consider buying one? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Bike Buzz for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. Until next time, ride safe and enjoy the journey.